Auto replenishment, probably the feature on TSeller that will save you the most time out of all of them. So what is the auto replenishment and how to use it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to. It's going to be quick, it's going to be short, so make sure to follow along. First of all, log into TSeller web. Then on the left-hand side, navigate to auto replenishment. Auto replenishment will allow you to use one of the quick actions that TSeller has to replenish all the products that you have on your Takealot account. So once you get on the page, you can see a compliance guide to see how much stock levels you have, what your percentage is, and how well your Takealot account is stocked. You can see your total offers, how many is well stocked, and how many needs to be restocked. It explains how it works, what is a compliant offer, what is a non-compliant offer, and your target score, which maintains 80% compliance, optimal market performance. So the first action is auto balance stock. So once you click on auto balance stock, this will make sure that your replenishment will meet at least the minimum of 14 days sales volume. So it goes through all your products. It makes sure that when you are stocking the DC, you're going to have at least 14 days worth of stock sitting in your DC. So to do that is you're going to scroll down. You can exclude out of stock offers or you can include it. You can turn off the distribution centers. So if you want to only do Cape Town and Joburg, you can turn Durban off or you can leave it on. You can also preview the replenishment that you have and you can edit the quantity. So instead of only sending 15 to Joburg, I just want to send 10. I can change it and I can apply the changes. Then we'll only send 10 instead of 15. So that allows you to completely have control of the replenishment that you're doing. You can also remove certain items if you don't have stock, and you can also add more if you want to. So I'm just going to close this. You can then generate and share, and this will download the file that you will then bulk upload into your Takealot account to replenish. So I'm just going to save it, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to upload this now into your Takealot account. So once you've downloaded the file from TSeller, we now need to upload this file into our Takealot account so that we can create the replenishment order. So you're going to go to your Takealot account, click on manage my offers right there, and then once you're on this page, you're going to click on replenish stock. Once you click on replenish stock, you then click on bulk replenishment. You're going to click on upload bulk replenishment, and then you're going to drag the file in that you just downloaded from TSeller, and you're going to click on file. This might take a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds, depending on how big your account is. If you have a large account with restocking a lot of units, it might take a couple of minutes, but it should be fairly quickly for us right now as we don't have a lot that we are going to replenish. As we can see, 9 units added for 3 products. 4 products were blocked for replenishment and 20 was not added. I'm just going to say okay. And then if I scroll down, I can see that it has actually replenished exactly what is in the sheet and what we selected on TSeller. So now I can just go click on create shipment and that will create my replenishment on its own. I did not have to put in the amount of stock levels I wanted, the stock quantity I wanted. I did not have to do anything. TSeller worked out how much stock I needed based on my sales data, populated the sheet, I download the sheet, and I upload it. There's also other actions that you can follow. So if you want to do a compliance restock, that'll make sure that your DCs are balanced. So if you have 5 units in Cape Town and you'd have 2 units in Joburg, it'll make sure that your Joburg units are also set to 5 so that you can always have enough in both DCs. You don't occur any transfer fees or any storage fees on one particular DC and not on the other. So that is what the compliance restock is, and it works on the exact same way. You can edit the quantities, you can change it per DC, you can remove items, download the file, upload it in the same process. Then we have max replenishment. Max replenishment is exactly what it is. If Takealot allows you to send 50 units to Cape Town, it's going to max it out and it's going to send 50 units to Cape Town. If Takealot only allows you to send 2 items to Cape Town, it'll only send 2 items to Cape Town. You can still toggle on or off, include or exclude not viable, in or out of stock, preview the replenishment. This will literally max out the limit what Takealot set on their end. and it works exactly the same as the first one I showed you guys. Then we have the last one, which is advanced restock. So if you have 500, 600, 1,000 SKUs, and you only want to replenish 10 of those, you can search the SKU on its own and only replenish that item. So it will work on the sales volume, but you choose what is being restocked. So you will search the SKU right here. It will then add it into the replenishment, and you can preview it, edit, upload, all the same process. It's just the information that's inside of the file that will change. Then we have personalized stock alerts. You can set this so that you can get notifications in the top right of TSeller that will notify you if a product is low stock. So you can set your low stock quantity 4 units, critical stock level 1 unit. You can put in your frequency. So how long must it take to notify you? Must it be immediately, hourly, daily, weekly, whatever it is? And then you can save the configuration at the top, make sure to turn it on, and then you will get notifications directly on TSeller right there at the top where you have your notifications bar. If you scroll down, you can also see what your target stock levels are, what your current stock levels are on certain products. And then you can also see what is in each individual DC. So Cape Town, Joburg, Durban. And that is essentially how to use the auto replenishment. It will save you guys so much time, so much effort. It takes a lot of manual work out of the process because you can literally just click a button, upload a file, and your replenishment is done. Download your labels, send it to your warehouse, or pack it yourself. So if you want to learn more about TSeller and how to use the rest of the features we have, make sure to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, as we're going to be launching a lot of new videos on every single feature we have. And I'm pretty excited about that, and you should be too. So make sure to click that button, and I hope to see you guys in the next tutorials.